Video editing services are quickly growing in demand headed into 2022. With more and more businesses moving into the online space, these business owners are finding video editing a must-have to meet their online marketing needs. Now, there's many places that you can make money online, like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. But in this video, we're going to focus specifically on Fiverr and how you can grow your video editing business, even if you have no experience and you're a complete beginner. Let's get it, dude. In this video, you're going to learn how the best video editors on Fiverr are winning and how you can copy their exact strategy for your business. You're also going to learn how much money you can expect to make on Fiverr as a video editor, and you will also learn the exact skills you will need to be successful on Fiverr and where you can get them, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey everyone, I'm Nick Newsome, and I've been a seller on Fiverr for over a year now, and I've been making really good money, and I think it's an awesome business asset. I look at Fiverr as like my business partner, because what Fiverr does is they go out and do all the advertising, right? So they're out there competing with all the big boys in the online marketing space, and they're advertising, they're bringing people into the site, and what they're doing, they're bringing all those people that are interested in your services, and they bring them all there. So you don't actually have to do the advertising yourself, which is really good, because how it works is you only have to pay Fiverr when you make the sale. So if you get a job, you complete the job, and then you pay Fiverr for, you pay them 20% of whatever the job was. Now, if you didn't have Fiverr as a partner, you'd have to do all the advertising yourself, which I don't recommend that you do, because it gets really expensive. You really have to have your marketing game tight if you want to do that. So let's take a look at Fiverr. Let's see what the video editors are doing on Fiverr, and let's take a look at some of the best ones there. Right here is the Fiverr seller marketplace. So as you can see, we're on video editing. So we looked up video editing, and let's just take a look at what people are selling, what kind of money they're making, and let's go from there. So first things first, you want to make sure that you pick the right people to follow. So there's a couple different levels here. We'll go to the seller details. There's top rated sellers, level 2. There's a new seller, there's level 1. Now, right now, I'm a level 2 seller, which is, it's a pretty good spot to be. My goal is to be a top-rated seller. And they also have Fiverr Pro, but that's a topic for a different video. Right now, we're just gonna look at who's in the main marketplace. And I don't really wanna copy what new sellers are doing. Level 1's okay, that means that they're having some success, but I really wanna focus on the level 2 and the top-rated sellers, because those are the ones that are gonna give me the most insight on what's working, because they've been there, that means they've been there for a while. Top-rated sellers have sold at least $20,000 worth of jobs, and they've probably done about 100 jobs. And then level 2 sellers are just a little bit below that. I think they have to have sold $5,000 and done something like 50 jobs. So these are the guys that I want to follow. So we have them selected, and this is what we came up with. I will do professional video editing within 24 hours. This is a top-rated seller. So let's see what he has to say, what's going on over here. This particular seller, he's a top-rated seller. He's got 10 orders in the queue, which I think is great, and 250. So he's running 250 to 100. So right now he's got potentially 10 times is 250. So $2,500, and then 3 days delivery time. So within a week, he can make $2,500. That's pretty good. That's not too shabby at all. And then our other seller is looking at, he has 4 orders in the queue, and he's running 150 to 500. So if we go back to our calculator, so on the high end, he's making times 500, and that's $2,000 within 2 weeks. So he's going to work in 2 weeks. He's going to make that. So he's got about $1,000 a week coming in. And then on the low end, 150 times the 4. And that's $600. So $600 within a week. So anywhere from $600 to $1,000 a week is probably what he's making on average. And I would say even higher would be, anywhere from $1,000 up to $2,000 in a week. So that's not too bad. I think those are pretty good numbers. So not too shabby at all. On the low end, you're talking about $500 a week. And then on the high end, you're talking about $2,000 to $2,500 a week video editing. Now, what do you think about those numbers? Are those good numbers or bad numbers? And do you think you can make those kind of numbers? Go ahead and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about is the gig layout. So Fiverr's really cool because you can really use some really awesome marketing techniques in order to gain attention from the buyers. So I really want to go over some of that. I know some techniques that I've used over the year have really helped and changed my level of success, the amount of money I've made, and the high level of clients that I've received. Now, I'm just going to look at the video editing. I'm going to kind of critique some of the gigs here, and we'll go off of that, and then we'll see what we can do and come up with a strategy. Oh, and if you want my Fiverr marketing hacks, go ahead and click the link below and get the checklist. It's a checklist that's going to tell you exactly what you need to do step by step in order to up your game as a marketer on Fiverr. So as a marketer, I mean as a gig owner on Fiverr. So how you market your gig, there's techniques and tricks and hacks that specifically help me, and I want to share those with you. So go ahead and click the link below and enter your name and your email, and I'll send that right to your email address. All right, but let's get back into the video. So one of the first things you're gonna see when you go to the Fiverr marketplace is when you do a search, you're gonna see all these thumbnails, right? And there's thumbnails, and some of these are videos. If they have the little play icon, they're gonna, you're gonna be able to set a video in there, which I highly recommend that you do, because a lot of sellers don't put a video. And especially as a video editor, this is where you're gonna showcase some of your work, some of your best work. Now, if you're thinking like, oh, I'm a beginner and I don't have any work, well, this is, now you're going to go out and you're going to try and make something. This is not going to be something that you did for anybody else. This is just going to be specifically for yourself. You're going to get out there, you're going to use some video editing software. There's lots of free software out there. And then you can just use that software and create a video for yourself. Look at other people's videos, go through here, hit play, see what they're doing. And basically you want to mimic what they have. Like these top rated sellers and level 2 sellers, like I'm going to keep that theme in here. What you want to do is go to their watch their videos, see what they're putting out, see who has, like, let's say the most gigs. Like this guy has 100, over 1,000 gigs, 600. This will be a good one. Here, this guy, he's a top rated seller. Okay, he's a top rated seller, and he's also got the Fiverr Choice icon. So Fiverr Choice recommends services that people love for superb work and delivery. So right here, I would say that this is the guy that we want to copy. So watch his video, see what else he has, so there's going to be a couple different other thumbnails that he's going to have in here, and you'll see all this when you set your gig up in Fiverr. But let's check out his gig and let's see what he's doing. And this is where we do some Fiverr gig hacking. So we're going to go through and see what he has, how he has his gig set up, and then what you want to do is copy what he has, because he's got the Fiverr Choice and he's also a top rated seller. By the way, if you're getting any value out of this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this video and you want to see more videos like this. And it also lets me know that you like my videos, and I can keep making better content, more content just like this for you. All right, let's get back to the video. Got a basic, standard, and a premium. This top rated seller in that Fiverr Choice really lets him charge a higher price for his services. So please contact seller before ordering so we can discuss your product in details and custom quote. So what I would do on your gigs is definitely copy this, put that in your gig details, but then also you can also add in some other things, like specific gig that you want to do. Like some people do, like, oh, I'll do your YouTube intro, I'll do, custom family video, I'll do a commercial, whatever it is that you are good at or you want to do. I would go and look at those people and kind of copy what they have laid out. But right off the bat, this seller has, please contact seller, meaning, he's saying, please contact me before ordering so we can discuss your product details and custom quote. So maybe he's going to do a different quote, but he's basically estimating his prices around $425, $525, and then $1,025. He's got good reviews here. And so, and this is where we want to start seeing what he has. And he barely has any description, whatsoever. He's got his portfolio here. So, this would be a good place to go and hack him, and see what he has. So you can kind of copy some of this stuff. It looks like he's doing a commercial here for probably either a restaurant, some sort of food service, did something for headphones. So he's got some good stuff, so that's what you want to do. You want to mimic that. And then about his gig, so he's, please contact me before ordering to avoid cancellation. Modern, elegant, effective video editing made simple. Click the contact seller button and let's discuss your project and vision. Link all your assets you wish to be included in your video. I can provide background music and stock footage if needed. If you need help uploading your files, I can provide a Dropbox link. I'll send you a custom offer and delivery time. Vimeo portfolio, please contact me for access. So he's put his links in there for his Vimeo portfolio. For a list of my services, please see Fiverr gig FAQ below. So he also has some more detail and he's from the United States, so he's got in FAQs below. So this is a really good section where you can put more details about your gig. So what services do you offer? Video editing, color correction, grading, motion graphics and text, transitions, logos, intros, outros, and then I'll let you go and look at this for yourself. No need to talk about it all right here. It looks like he might have some office hours, 9 to 4, Monday through Thursday. I like how he put that, actually. I've never done this, but I'm actually going to put my office hours in there. Saturday and Sundays are my days of rest, all U.S. Central time zones. Okay. How do I send files? Do you have access to stock footage or B-roll? Yes, I have a large selection. Okay, can I hear my background music options? Yes. Do you provide or produce voiceovers? Yes. So this is what you want to do. You want to find these sellers that are very popular and have a good record and are top rated. And then what you can do is just copy their gigs, exactly what they did in there, and you'll be able to see that. So you should definitely go and copy someone successful when you're setting up your gig on Fiverr. Now, it might seem confusing, but I assure you, setting up your gig on Fiverr is very simple. It's very easy and straightforward. And if you still need some help, go ahead and click the link up here and watch the video where I go more in detail and step by step on how to set up your gig. Now that we've gone over how to set up a successful gig for video editing on Fiverr, what if you don't even know how to video edit? What if you're just thinking like, okay, Nick, thanks for all the information, but I want to get into video editing and I don't really have any skills yet and I need to learn? Well, that's another reason that I like Fiverr, is because they have an awesome education program where they can actually teach you how to do the services that they offer on their website. And not only that, when you do the training that Fiverr has, they're going to give you a special badge which indicates to the buyers that you're a qualified seller, you've been through the training, and you know what you're doing. Now let's go back in my computer because I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So Fiverr has a really awesome dedicated area to teach sellers how to gain more skills on Fiverr, and it's called Learn from Fiverr, and it's right here, and they have courses from highly skilled professionals teaching you exactly what you need to do. We're in the video and photography courses section, so there's going to be a lot of things going on in here. A lot of this is, you have Adobe Photoshop fundamentals, Adobe After Effects fundamentals. So I would say that, like, as far as getting your skills going with editing, you should go and consider taking one of these courses. And you have Adobe Editor, After Effects, Fundamentals. This one looked really good. And let's go into some of the details here about the course itself. Right away, you get a free preview. Okay, it's only $26. You're gonna get a free preview. There's been 55 reviews, 5-star review, 89 videos, 10.5 hours of coursework. All right, there's a free preview. You can come and check it out. It's only $26. There is the sale is on, so look for the coupon code on the top of the screen. By the way, the link is in the description. It'll take you right to this page, so you can go ahead and get started. You can check out the free preview. The link is there in the description for you. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so even if you take the course, it says, look, reach out. Not satisfied? Reach out to our customer support team within 30 days to receive a full refund. Unlimited access anywhere, anytime. Learn from hand-vetted instructors, experts in the field, okay? And then here's the badge I was talking about. You're gonna get this badge you get to put on your seller profile, which I think is outstanding because it lets people know your skill set. And then when a buyer comes to look at your profile, all they do, they'll hover over the badge or click on the badge, and it will tell them what kind of skills that you do have. And here's everything you're gonna learn. After completing the course, you'll be able to understand the After Effects workspace and how to start a new composition, add media, master the basic After Effects, navigate some other things. So what you will learn here: how to position, scale, and rotate animations and make animations look more natural, how to use the graph editor and add player styles like drop shadow, bevel, and gradients. And a lot of this stuff you might not know what it is, but you'll learn it as you get into the course, and this is what's going to pay you dividends, because when you know this kind of stuff, you can create awesome videos for people and you can charge a lot of money and they'll keep coming back and back. And like I said, demand is going up. Businesses need video editors now to make videos for their business, for their YouTube videos. They need help with their YouTube video editing, making commercials, making ads that you can put out on social media. These professionals are in demand, and it's just going to keep growing and growing as more and more businesses move into the online space. So all this stuff is here, and like I said, you can come in here, you can check it out. You're going to get a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can watch the quick video and see, and hear everything that you're going to learn in the course. This will be your instructor. So you can come check out the page. Like I said, link is in the description. Watch the video. You can do a free preview.
Let's talk about our layer property.
Not going to get into that right now. But you can come out, check out the free preview. There's a sale on it. You get the course, and then you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So just to recap, number one, video editing services are becoming highly sought-after services, very high in demand, especially going into 2022. Everybody's working online now. Doors are closing. The pandemic has hit us. Make sure that you are positioning yourself to be online, to be able to make some money, grow your business, and take advantage of all this increased demand for video editing services. Now, number two, make sure that you're on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. These sites are going to help you get business, right? So it's a partnership. They're going to bring you people. They're going to bring you people that you can work with. And in return, you're going to pay them a commission. Now, it's much easier to pay per piece of business that you get rather than pay per click if you're advertising yourself. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of this partnership that you can with Fiverr. Now, I personally love Fiverr. I think they have everything going for them. I think they're the number 1 gig work and freelancing site out there right now, out there today. So I highly recommend that you use them. And like I said, get my Fiverr marketing hacks checklist. It's in the description below. This is going to help you market and beat out your competition. Okay. I have a step-by-step process. I have all my best tricks and hacks in there to help you beat out your competition. So make sure you get it. It's in the description below. And lastly, if you don't have the skills, don't be afraid to get started. Go take a course. It's an easy course. That course was $26. You can probably learn from other people on YouTube. You can watch YouTube videos and learn some things. I just prefer courses because it is detailed. It takes you through the whole process, put together in a way that's going to help you become a good video editor. They're also going to teach you what you need to know to be a good seller on Fiverr, because they know the skills that are in demand, and they're going to help you with that to make sure that you position yourself correctly on Fiverr. And I've started from a complete beginner, and I've hit level 2 seller, and I'm very, very close to being a top rated seller. So, I hope everything I put in this video is very good for you. Definitely comment below if you have any questions. If there's something that I didn't cover, I want you to put it in there. I definitely have some more videos. Like I said, I have some more videos on how to set up your gig properly. If you want to see that, go ahead and check out right here on the end screen. Don't forget to smash up that like button too if you like the video. If I'm helping you out in any way whatsoever, go ahead and return the favor. Hit that like button, smash up that like button, put a little comment down below. You can tell me my video sucked if that's the case. If it sucked, go ahead and tell me it sucked. But otherwise, click one of the videos right there. It's super easy.